In an unfortunate incident, a 9-month pregnant woman is fighting for life after suffering severe suffocation from tear gas used by security forces during a protest held last night demanding release of arrested students. The woman has been identified as Naurem Ongbi Sanjita, aged 33 years, wife of Naurem Deepak of Naurem Laikai under Siknjumai Police Station. According to General Secretary of Naharol Yaifakol Club, Naurem William, security forces fired tear gas shells at the densely populated area at Pena Kong Lerak of Naurem Laikai Awang around 11 p.m. One of the shells landed at Sanjita's residence, causing her to inhale the toxic smoke.
Mahaki yunga yamna nakna fit manga lapna dana tasalakpa na maram oirakanda hairba maunaha si thama pangi angang su Manipuri bani tear gas pokhairpa amadi masigi phattaba gases myam ama honjin gibana maram oirakanda achauba chai fu mapi bana maram oirakanda ngarang ahing makse rims ta khoi athu matam da khoi mung manungna pokat pirame adubo laibak thibadi hairba mauna asi magi fibam asi hena luslakpa na maram oirakanda hujik asi ICU da ventilator hapaga Mahakna Naukoliba, Pikliba, Hamapangi, Angang, Asiga Luinana, Siba, Amadi, Changba, Anigilang, Dai, the Huziang, like a Nari Havatare, Yamna Laiba Tiba Togdoni, Hospital, export singer, Pongazamatam, the Atukumati Magi survivals, Yam name Havatare, Masai security forces in Yamna Matong Huktaba, agitators in control of Wisha Presto, Giminda, I hing Nong Yaida, Hipliba, Tumliba, Laikai, the Yumlakta, live bullets, Tiagas, Mam Kapsala, Aki, Akang, Mam Tola Pisamar Morakanda, Haiba, Mauna Sigi Mapunchi, Huzikari, Ogadon, Kakwe, Tamangam, Parapo, the Oishino, Adobo, Yamna, chances name maker, Masida Patanum, the Tola Abadi, Ekoi, Langtawan Kendra, Clubs Coordinating Committee, Langtawan Kendra, Marapabi Coordinating Committee, Singzamaitu, Lilong United Clubs Organization, Amadi Lebak Yoba Organization, Mayama Kusam Nazaraga, Lagaki Matakta, Ekoi Akanba Institution, Chatazaragani Hide and Akoi, Lautokchari.
I around Daramunda, but the man Haramini Mabo, I matanta the Tarena. Aduna is a teen like the man and no keep Masatonga City Maxim, Siki Pions or whatever. Mago Makaki, Cholakini, Fight Cholakini, Aduna Maquid Daquina, no make up at Lepo, one Tazan Bato, Highway, Capra, Weeping Ready.
This is the leftover of tear gas shell which were fired by security forces last night, and the house of Naurem Sanjita is just a few feet from here. On my left is the house of Naurem Sanjita. The decision of firing tear gas to the residential areas leads to devastated consequences. This raises the questions of who will held accountable for these heartbreaking events. It is deeply saddening, and the security forces should avoid this kind of actions in the future. And the authority concerns should take the matter seriously and thoroughly investigate in this matter and take it seriously. With camera person Chinkai, this is SKTV Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.